Well, I'm with Becky Wright-Sell from Sedum Chicks here at GardenPalooza, and Becky, always bring the coolest things.
Thank you.
And so your forte is succulents and sedums and hens and chicks, and you just always have a great selection.
Yes, thank you. We have lots and lots of varieties. I'd say over 60 varieties. Probably at GardenPalooza we have maybe 30 to 40.
Right.
Yeah, yeah.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
And so tell us about some of these. I know that these are probably some of the most popular ones, and tell us about those.
The reason why I chose a couple of these, like this one for example, it's called Sedum confusum, and it does tons of color changes throughout the year, where the whole thing will be coral in color and then come back to kind of this lime color. Pinching and trimming is going to make it bush out, or you can kind of let it get longer, and it is a little bit taller. It will fill out maybe to about here. That's lots of reasons why I love this one personally.
Everybody has favorites.
Right.
And this one is so totally different then.
Yes. So this one is a spathifolium variety, which is, again, a sedum, and it's called carnea. I think it is really cool in color because it's going to pull out like the purples and the whites, where a lot of other ones are, you know, going to be the greens, the limes, you know, the corals. So I think it's just a really gorgeous plant. It stays nice and full, a good weed barrier, good, you know, climbing down the pot, you know, so it has lots of awesome features and benefits.
It is nice. And I think you do it so well is when you mix them and match them,
Yeah.
and all those different colors and textures really make it special.
Awesome. Yeah. Yep.
And then you have one that's blooming over there.
Yeah, so we have several different varieties of the Delospermas, and this is Delosperma cooperi, which is also known, you know, as an ice plant. Lots of sun all summer. This guy is going to continue to bloom for you all summer long, giving it water, same as everything else. We like to recommend watering 1 to 2 times a week in the heat of the summer, but when you do water, we want you to soak the plant, like really get the water all the way down to their roots so they can store it up.
Oh, that's smart. That
Yeah.
is good. Good tips. Thank you so much. Because
Yeah.
sometimes I think we overwater them, or we think, oh, I never have to water them.
Or just gently mist. And
Right,
no,
no.
they, all the way down to the roots.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
And now you have one of the really special plants,
Yes.
that special Sempervivums that everybody's been talking about.
Yeah.
So tell us about the chick.
So we have, this is the gold nugget. It is really showing off right now. The next couple months, I think it will get even brighter and brighter with the bright yellows. Just over the last week, I say half again is big, and the color is just coming out. They're really a showstopper in the garden. Definitely something you're going to notice.
Nice. And then I see that you have the individual plants. You sell the empty kind of pieces, art pieces, so we could do it ourselves.
Absolutely.
Or you are a good creator, so you have a lot that we could just take home and put right on our wall on our deck.
Definitely. Yeah, ready to go and do it yourself. Everybody enjoys something different. We have all different shapes, all different sizes, all different colors, and we have them all available and ready to go. Yeah.
Well, you know, come out to GardenPalooza today till 3:30. Come out and see Becky and all her beautiful pieces. And she also has other places that she goes. So if you go to gardentime.tv and you click over to her website, you can see where else she'll be the rest of the summer. Thanks so much. Have a great show.
Thanks.